Okay, student, this is my fourth lecture. Okay, I solved the practice set 3.4. I take the first example. On 1st January 2016, बघा 2016. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save 10 rupees. How many rupees? Save 10 rupees. Okay, 11 on second day. Next day ला किती? 11 रुपीज. 12 ऑन थर्ड डे म्हणजे पहिल्या दिवशी 10 रुपये सेव्ह करूया, दुसऱ्या दिवशी 11 रुपये, तिसऱ्या दिवशी 12 रुपये. इफ द डिसाइड्स टू सेव्ह लाईक दिस, देन ऑन 31 डिसेंबर, 1st January to 31 December 2016, व्हॉट वुड बी हर टोटल सेव्हिंग. मग ते 31 डिसेंबर म्हणजे वर्षाच्या शेवटी किती रुपये सेव्ह केले असतील हे काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. ओके, व्हेरी सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल स्टुडंट. बघा काय करायचं. फर्स्ट 2016 हे जर या वर्षी जर फेब्रुवारीमध्ये जर 29 डेज असतील, देन व्हॉट टोटल डेज आर द 260. व्हॉट जर 28 दिवस असेल, फेब्रुवारीचं जर 28 असेल तर 365. पण मला वाटतं शक्यतो करून 2016 जर कॅलेंडर चेक करा तुम्ही 2016चं, तर फेब्रुवारीमध्ये 29 दिवस असणार आहेत. देन दिस इज द लीप इयर. देन नंबर ऑफ डेज n is equal to 365, 366. n is equal to what? 366 असणार. किती असणार? 366. मग फर्स्ट टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म a is equal to t1, विच इज द फर्स्ट टर्म किती रुपये सेव्ह करते होती? 10. राईट. t2 is equal to 11. t3 is equal to what? t3 is equal to 12. Then a, that is the t1 is equal to 10, and common difference d is equal to what? t2 minus t1, that is 1. d is equal to 1. n is equal to 360. n is equal to 360. Then the previous formula, Sn is equal to a upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? That is, yes, n is equal to 360, right? This is a, sorry, not a, that is n. n upon 2, that is n is how many? 360 upon 2. 2a is the 10 plus 366 minus 1 into d is the common difference, that is the 1. Sorry, common difference is 1. Yes, 366 is equal to, this is a 3 183, right? Okay, that is what, this is the 20 plus 360 minus 1, 365 into 1, 365, that is 183 into, this is a 385. Okay, student, and I directly write the answer. Don't calculate. Okay, 70,455 rupees, right? राईट, करेक्ट आन्सर आहे 70,400. तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेशन करून चेक करा. ओके, देन व्हॉट विथ द हर टोटल सेव्हिंग. सानिका, बघा, देअरफॉर सानिका सेव्स 70,400 rupees to first January to 31 December, right? Student, understand this type of example? Okay, complete this example, then I take it the next example. Okay, student, I take it the next example. First, I read the example number 2. A man borrows 800 rupees and agrees to repay with a total interest 1360 rupees. Okay, 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by 40. Find the amount of first and last installment. बघा, टोटल काय केलेलं आहे, एका बँकेकडून एक कर्ज काढलेलं आहे, 8,000 लोन घेतलेलं, किती, 8,000. ओके, हाउ मेनी टेक इट लोन, 8,000. ओके, अँड इंटरेस्ट किती, 1360. देन टोटल n is what, total, right? How many, that is what, 800 plus 1360, that is n is equal to how many, that is what, 0, 6, 3, that is 9 rupees, right? That is, yes, this is what, yes, 12 is equal to how many, that is n is equal to what, this total period is 12 months, right? That is, yes, 12 is equal to 90360. Will get less. Student, each installment being less than the preceding by 40 rupees. That is, each installment 40, 40, 40, 40, right? That is, d is equal to what? Less than means what? Minus. What? Less than means what? Minus. That is minus 40, right? Then find out the first term, right? Then how to find out the that is a Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 to d, right? That is, Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n is what? Yes, 12. That is 12 upon 2. A is given, that is not given, plus n is 12 minus 1, d is the minus 40, right? Yes, 12 is given, student, right? That is 9,360. This is 6 into twice a plus 11 into minus of 40, right? Minus 40. This is equal to what again? 900,360 is equal to this, solve that. Students, see, that is what, 6 plus twice a, this is what, minus 0, 41 are the 40, 0, 41 are the 40 and 4, that is a minus 440, right? 440, right? That is what, this is equal to what, 9,360 upon 6 is equal to twice a minus 440. Student, please solve this. 3 2s are 6, 3 3 1 2 0, that is 2 1s are 1 1 5 6 0, right? That is 1,560 plus this minus will get this side, that is a 440 positive, that is 2a, that is what, 0 0 1, that is again 0 1, that is 2, 2000 is equal to twice a, that a is equal to 2000 upon 2, a is equal to 1000, a is equal to what, 1000. We'll get the first term, what, 1000, a is equal to what, how many, 1000. Okay, Then find out the what, student? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, that is t n is equal to how many? N is equal to how many, student? 12, right? T12 is equal to a, that is 1000 plus 12 minus 1 into d, d is the minus 40, right? T12 is equal to 1000, that is 11 plus 11 minus of 40, that is T12 is equal to 1000 plus minus 440, that is T12 is equal to, I mean that 560 rupees. T12 is equal to 560 rupees, right? Student, correct this answer. Okay, the amount of first installment is what? 1000. Last installment is what? 560, right? Okay, बरोबर. बघा स्टुडंट, ए मीन्स व्हॉट फर्स्ट टर्म, देन विच इज हाऊ मेनी अमाऊंट इन फर्स्ट टर्म. पहिल्या हप्त्यामध्ये आपण 1000 रुपये काय केले, पेड केले, आणि लास्ट हप्त्यामध्ये टी किती आला? 560 रुपये. किती? 560 रुपये, राईट? स्टुडंट, कम्प्लीट दिस एक्झाम्पल, देन आय टेक इट द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. So, okay, I take it the next example. This is example number 3. Student, example number 3 and 4, I give to the homework. I only read the example 3 and 4. Sachin invested in a national saving certificate scheme. In the first year, he invested 5000 rupees. In the second year, 7000 rupees. In the third year, 9000 rupees, and so on. Find the total amount that invested in the 12 years. 12 वर्षामध्ये त्याने किती इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केलेली आहे ते फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके स्टुडंट, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3 आय गिव्ह टू द होमवर्क, राईट? ओके, I read the again second example number 4. There is an auditorium with 24/7 rows. एक ऑडिटोरियम रूम आहे, त्याला किती? 27 रोज आहेत ऑफ सीट्स, 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 20 seats in the first row, 20 seats in the second row, and 24 seats in the third row. पहिल्या रो मध्ये 20, सेकंड रो मध्ये 22, थर्ड रो मध्ये 24 सीट्स आहेत. In the third row and so on. Find the number of seats in the fifth. 15व्या रो मध्ये किती सीट्स असतील ते फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? 15व्या रो मध्ये किती सीट्स असतील आणि पुन्हा सगळे त्या ऑडिटोरियम मध्ये किती सीट्स असतील हे तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे? फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. स्टुडंट, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4 आय गिव्ह टू द होमवर्क. ओके, कम्प्लीट द स्टुडंट होमवर्क. यस्टरडेचं कालचा होमवर्क मला आलेला नाही आहे. ओके, गरिमा, हर्ष, सुबोध, राज, काल दिलेला होमवर्क मला माझ्या पर्सनल व्हॉट्सअपवरती आलेलं नाही आहे. देन आजचा देखील, कालचा आणि आजचा होमवर्क मला मी लेक्चर टाकतो याचं काय, तुम्ही होमवर्क मला कंप्लीट करून माझ्या पर्सनल व्हॉट्सअपवरती सेंड करायचं. ओके, प्लीज स्टुडंट, नोट डाऊन द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3 and एक्झाम्पल नंबर 4. आय टेक इट द डिरेक्ट द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5. Okay, student, I take it the example number 5. First, I read the example number 5. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. What? Monday to Saturday. All readings were in arithmetic progression. The sum of temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than sum of temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degree Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. आता मी बघा, the temperature from Monday to Saturday कसे म्हणायचो? A, first one is A, second one A plus D, दुसऱ्या दिवशीचं काय? A plus D, कारण कॉमन डिफरन्स ॲड होत जाणार ना. त्याच्यानंतर A plus 2, ही अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेसिव्ह आहे, राईट. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये डी हा कॉमन डिफरन्स प्रत्येक टर्ममध्ये वाढत जाणार आहे. A plus 2D, नेक्स्ट A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and last one is what? A plus 5D. Here Monday बघा, मंडे टू सॅटर्डे, मंडे तर आपल्याला कुठं आठवते ती काय, संडे मंडे तरी पण बघूया, थांबा दिलेल्या कंडिशनवरून काय हां कंडिशन काय तर बघूया आपण. हां मंडेचं तर बाबा ए, सॅटर्डेचं तर A plus 5D. ओके, आता दिलेली कंडिशन बघूया. Monday to Saturday, all readings were in AP. The sum of the temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degree more than Monday and Saturday was 5 degree more than sum of temperatures Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday मी पहिला बघतो कॅलेंडर, दिवस लई दिवस झाले आता. बघा स्टुडंट, दिलेल्या पहिल्या कंडिशनवरून काय हो, पहिली कंडिशन मी पुन्हा एकदा वाचतो. द सम ऑफ टेम्परेचर्स ऑफ मंडे अँड सॅटर्डे, राईट, मंडे अँड सॅटर्डे वॉज 5 degree more than what? More than temperatures of Tuesday. This is what? Tuesday and Saturday. Okay, right? Then what is this, student? This term, this is the common term, this is the cancel, right? This is remaining what, student? A is equal to A plus D plus 5 degree. This A gets cancelled and D is equal to minus 5 degree. D will get how many? minus 5 degree. Student, right? मोठे एक्झाम्पल आहे, एक एक टप्प्यात लिहायचं आहे. D will how many get? D किती मिळालं हो? ओके स्टुडंट, D will get the 5 degree, right? From second condition बघूया आता. From second condition is what? Which is the second condition? If the temperature of Wednesday is minus 30 degree, बघा Wednesday, this is the Wednesday, right? Third term is Wednesday, that is A plus 2D is equal to minus 30 degree, right? But D is equal to what? Minus 5 degree, that is A plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 30, that is A minus 10 is equal to minus 30, that is A is equal to minus 30 plus 10, that is A is equal to 20. First term is equal to what? 20. Student, right? A is equal to what? Sign is minus. A is equal to what? Minus of 20 degree. A किती मिळालं? minus 20 degree. Right? मग काढूया. First what? First day Mondayचं टेम्परेचर minus 20 degree. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड A plus D. A is equal to minus 20 degree plus D is how many? minus 5 degree, right? That is A plus second what? minus 25 degree. Third 2D, बरोबर, minus, that is minus 30 degree. Next minus 35 degree and minus 40 degree. बरोबर का. प्रत्येक टर्ममध्ये 5 डिग्री वाढत जाईल. मग 5 डिग्री आणि सगळं टेम्परेचर मायनसच आहे. पहिल्या टर्मचं मायनस आहे ना, राईट. -10 किती 30 झालं, राईट. स्टुडंट कंप्लीट दिस एक्झाम्पल. सिंपल एक्झाम्पल आहे. फक्त डी आणि ए फर्स्ट टर्म काढले की सगळं तुम्हाला. आणि हे सिक्वेन्स अँड सिरीजचं पहिली टर्म, दुसरी टर्म, तिसरी टर्म हे सूत्राचं फॉर्म्युलेच आहेत, बरोबर का. Okay student, I solve this example number 6. This is the last example. First I read the example number 6. On the World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is a training war in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree. In the second row there are 2 trees. In the third row there are 3 trees. So on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Okay. Baga, A is first term, that is 1. Right. That is the T1 is equal to A, that is 1. T2 is equal to 2. Second row 2 trees, right. That is common difference. D is equal to 1. And what? Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. पहिले टर्म किती हो 1 2. मग T25 is given. T25 is equal to 25. म्हणजे T25 ने दिलेला आहे T25, right. T25 is equal to 25. T1 is equal to 1 and T2 is equal to 1. But in this example not need for D, because I use the formula this Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn, right. Yes. Last what? That is 25. Yes, 25 is equal to n is equal to how many? 25 upon 2. T1 is given, right. That is first term, that is 1. Tn, that is T25 is given, that is 25, right. That is yes, 25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into 26, that is 13. And yes, 25 is equal to 7. How many trees are the planted? That is 325 trees are the planted in this example, right. The total number of trees are what? 325. Student, this is a very simple example. Okay. Understand? Again, first term is given. First term, that is T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to D, will get the 1. T25, that is the last term, that is the 25. That is use the formula what? Sn is equal to n upon 2 plus into bracket T1 plus Tn. That is yes, n is equal to what? 25. That 25 upon 2 into 1 plus 25. That is 25 upon 2 into 26. 2 1s are 2. That is the 13. That is what? 325. Right. So to complete this example, and I totally complete the practice set number 3.4. Practice set number 3.4. Okay student, and I give to the homework of problem set number 3. Problem सेट नंबर 3. हा जो काही अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचा प्रॉब्लेम सेट आहे तो सगळं काय करायचं आहे, सॉल्व करायचं आहे. अँड मंडे अरेंज ए टेस्ट 50 marks for related topic arithmetic progression. So student please prepare these on fully examples.